Welcome. In front of me is a TCL Plex, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now before I get started, I'm also going to quickly mention that you can do this kind of reset in order to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. Now this would typically also mean that the device will become FRP locked, which after the reset is finished you just need to verify either the screen lock or the Google account that was signed in on the device. Now, with that being said, let's first turn off our device. So we can hold power button, select power off. And when the device turns off, hold power button and volume up, I believe, at the same time. Now, I haven't checked it, which one it is. I believe it's power and volume up, but it could be volume down. I will see that in a second. You can let go of the power button when you see the Plex, or HTC Plex. And as you can see, so it was volume up, as it takes us to the recovery mode. Now in this mode you will need to use the volume buttons to navigate up or down depending on which one you press. And power button will be used to confirm the selected option, which you want to select wipe data, factory reset, then confirm it with the power button, select yes. You can see it's formatting data, and in a moment we should see data wipe complete. There we go. Once data wipe has been completed, reboot system now will be selected by default, so all you need to do is press power button. This will reboot the device and continue resetting it in the background. This will take the device about a minute, 2 minutes to finish up, and once it's completed, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your phone however you like. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.